Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I am back for my February haul, and this is going to be a one-shot video, I think. So I've got one BST thing, one thing I'm not quite sure what is at the minute, and two orders from shops. So let's start with the one that I don't know what is. I recognise the handwriting, it is my friend Beth's, but Beth P, but I haven't actually opened it and looked what it is. Oh, bless her. That's such a cute little note. Thank you, Beth. So, these are on removable paper. They're kit planning labels, so they are Cricket Paper Co. They've got all the weeks of the year in, I think, so that you can like plan out your kits. Oh, wow. That's really clever. So I can use those in my folder, because just this morning I was getting really confused about which week was which kit, so that's actually going to be super helpful. And then she's sent me some silhouette one done in a million, and I love it. It's like silhouette problems, so it's like, why you no work, it being thrown out the window, please work, and crying with oops, which will be great for like quality control. Need like a sheet of these ones for quality controlling. Let's just bring that a bit, in fact let's just zoom in. So there you go, that's those two sheets. Thank you, Beth. Weirdly, this is also from Beth, but this is from a de-stash that I purchased in of some Simply Gilded washi. So if you've been here a while, you know I used to be subscribed to the Simply Gilded sub box, but I got rid of my subscription in October, I think. October was the last box I got, September or October. But December's box was absolutely stunning and I couldn't resist, and Beth was de-stashing these, so I picked them up. So I think these are all from the December sub box. So there's the two floral bows, and if you know me at all, you know I'm a sucker for floral bows. Then there's floral simple line bow. There's a like lace design, and then there's the 5mm add-on as well. So they are absolutely stunning, and I'm glad I've got those in my collection. Next up, we've got this one from Morello Paperie, and this was her Valentine's sale. So this year I'm making a really concerted effort to only buy kits that I have plans for, and like specific plans. It can't just be like, oh, I kind of want to use this kit. It needs to have sort of a week assigned to it, and this indeed does. So the freebies I got were this sort of beautiful floral and a foil quote overlay that says, I am enough, strong, beautiful, kind, loved. And yeah, I think that's a really nice quote. That's foiled in rose gold. And then this is the kit I bought. So I bought this, my grandpa is 90 on the 2nd of May, so I bought this for his birthday. So I got the foil fetty add-on. No, it's in gold foil, this kit. And I got the redhead girl bonus box, so you can choose which hair colour you want for the bonus box. And then this is the kit, so you get 4 foiled full boxes. And I love these like cat in. So that's that sheet. Then you get half boxes, few quarter boxes, your flags, and then this bottom washi is super foiled, but it fits perfectly with the theme. Then little things on there as well. You get your check boxes, get loads of washi with her kits, headers, some more quarter boxes, get date covers, Monday through Sunday box, and some scripts. So that's her 6-page kit with the extra add-on, and I got the foil Betty add-on. Last but not least, we have my Plannerface PR pack. So I did receive these at a discount. I always like to tell you how much I paid for them. So this I didn't pay very much for. It was $4.70 for this little order. I say little order, 2 monthly kits. It's not really that little. So first up we have the journaling card. I think I already have a copy of this journaling card, but it is absolutely stunning, so I'm okay with that. Then I got Lottie's PR freebie. I just love those colours at the minute. And just so you know, these are all on premium matte because that's where my life is. So I got these paint splodges, which I really love using. They're just different coloured little paint splodges. I don't know how else to describe that. Don't know why I'm trying to. And then I got the March and April monthly kit. So this is March, so I always get the Monday start strips. So you just cut off this little strip and use those instead. So that's your like date cover-ups, some flags, your date dots, your functional sidebar and quarter box type things, your half boxes, some decorative cover-ups, icons, bill dues, payday flags, your cover-ups for the days not in the month, your holidays and washi strips, and a decorative sidebar, which I always tend to use because these go in my memory planner, so I don't need a functional sidebar. So that's March's kit. And then April, and I never buy the weekly kit that matches the artwork because I only ever want the artwork once in my planner. So I'm just going to flick through this. I don't need to tell you what's on each page, but these are sort of the colours and the designs of the April kit. And you can choose different skin tones for your decorative sidebar. I have, for both of those, I've gone for the lighter skin tone, but I don't always. I just go with whatever I think fits best with the kit. And that is everything. And that is all I've bought in this month. And as you can see, it's mostly things I have very specific purposes for, as all of my purchases should be at the moment. That is my aim, really. I should only be buying things that I know exactly when I want to use. I mean, I suppose the washi isn't really falling into that, but I did actually, I think I bought the, I can't remember. I think I bought the washi last month, but who knows. But it arrived after I'd finished my haul for last month, so. So there we go, that is my very short haul for January. It's under 10 minutes, so yeah. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know down below what your favourite thing is that I bought this month. I mean, my favourite thing is probably the paint splodges, but I already use those, so it's kind of like, and I love everything. I'm really happy that I bought really intentionally in January. These are all things that have an exact purpose, and yeah, except the washi. I suppose that doesn't really, but nearly there. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Let me know down below what your favourite item I bought was. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!